Here is my 22 stockpile, 6,500 rounds, mini mags in the back, Remington's bucket O bullets, 1,400 rounds. Did a video on that, and I'll throw a link at the bottom if you want to watch that video. Miscellaneous 50 round boxes, some white boxes in the back, some BX 25 mags, some old school Butler Creek mags, the box mags for the 1022. I am a firm believer on the 1022s. Don't forget this, the limited edition Zombie Killer magazine, 90 rounds. You can't even find these. When you do, they're expensive now. That's it, 6,500 rounds of 1022 magazines. Oh, and the people buying this from Gunbroker, stop. And the people buying it to put it on Gunbroker will stop. Then we can go to Walmart and buy it for 20 bucks. A lot better price than 60 bucks. All right, here's a little quick flyby. There she is. This is my 22 pistol, by the way. Phoenix Arms, 180 bucks. Not a bad gun for $180. All right. Happy shootings. Peace out.